Hi everyone, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs, and today I'm just putting together a little video to show you how to upload an SVG file to your Cricut Design Space. So if you've taken my Cricut out of the box class, I send you a free SVG file, and this video will show you how to upload and use that file, but it works for any files that are SVGs that are outside of the Cricut Design Space. So we are in our Cricut canvas and I have a blank page. The first thing you're going to do is come over here to the left hand side and click on upload. When you get to this window, this is where your upload images show and where you go ahead and upload them. So on the left hand side we're going to click upload images, and then we're going to click on browse. At this point, you'll get this pop-up window, and you want to navigate to wherever you saved that file. Most likely, it's in your downloads file if you're working on Windows. I know some people like to download them to their Dropbox or wherever, so you'll need to make a note of where you saved it. But most likely, it's in your downloads. So I'm going to actually come over here, and the one we're working with is the flower envelope bag. And there it is, and it is the flower envelope bag with perforation lines. So we're just going to click on it to select it, and then click on open. And it will show up in this prepare to upload window, and it shows as a cut image. If you for some reason clicked on something that wasn't what you wanted, you could replace the image, but this is what we want. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to where it says image name, and you want to name your file. It will show up as the original name. You can change that if you would like to, or you can leave it as is. Then you'll come down here to tags. Tags is a good way to help you search for your image once you start to get a lot of images or gather a lot of SVG files. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but I would recommend it. So when I tag my images, I always first do it from where I ordered it, bought it, downloaded it. So this is from Paper Closet Designs, comma, and then you can name it anything else you want. I'm going to name it bag, Easter, flower. That's good enough for now. Excuse me. And I'm going to come down here and hit my upload button. And it shows up right in your upload images. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And it has this green box around it, which means it's selected, and it also shows you the thumbnail right down here. So I'm going to go ahead and insert images. And there is my, my flower box. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so you can see the full thing. Now, one thing, and we talked about this in the beginner class, is that sometimes images don't come in at the correct size, and so you'll want to somehow make sure that this is all coming in the correct size. And it does. If you will, if I'll zoom in really close, all of mine have a ratio down here, and it says resize to a width of 11.5 with the padlock closed. So if I come up here, the padlock's closed, and I'll notice that the width is 11.5, so it's correct and it is ready to go. I'm going to hide that, the words that say resize, because I don't need to cut that out. So I'm going to close it, and then I can either ungroup it if I want to change the colors or anything. I can ungroup it, but if not and I want to make it, I'm just going to come straight over to make it, and you'll notice that everything is already on the mats and ready to go. There's my leaf, the decorative panels, the actual bag, and the flower. There's the belly band. So it is all ready to go. I would hit continue. I'm not hooked up to a machine right now, but then from there you're just going to follow the prompts on your screen. And that is how simple it is to upload an SVG to Cricut Design Space. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure and hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my videos, and have a great day.